Welcome back to another episode of Franky the Crafter. It's the last week for the Kickstarter. I'll leave all the details in the description below. I was sent a print from the Kickstarter, so I decided to modify it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Let's do this. As you can see, we got our hands on a big golem. I'll be adding some Sculpting to the legs. I wanted to add more texture than the printer was able to print, I guess. If you worry about print lines, then this is perfect for you. This is a low effort on fixing this and a high result or payoff. I changed the face to make it look more like the original artwork. Usually when I use 3D printers, I mainly only use them as a tool, so I still work on top of it. It's a great way to get like a basis for your project. When I was coming up for the idea for the construct golems, I wanted them to have a detail that would be found on all other golems, and these arches are just that. I think these look so much better in the real world printed than they do on paper. I'll be printing more of these to add on any other project I might be working after this. This was just a really cool detail. I wanted to make sure that the arches actually stayed on my model. So I ended up using super glue and baking soda. I can't believe how strong this bond is. I was pretty much picking it up by the arches. I don't recommend anyone else doing this because accidents could happen, but it was pretty strong. I bet Copper's wondering why the room is so messy. It was time to paint it. Also, if you're enjoying the content, like and subscribe. Let's continue. I painted all sepia first. I think a nice earthy undertone is necessary. It also just happens to go very well with the rust effect after I dry brush my metallic paint. After that, I just add gray and dab a few other earthy colors like a light orange and a red brown. I finished this off by dry brushing a lighter gray to all of the stonework, and then I move on to the flocking. At this point, this is giving me some nice Shadow of the Colossus vibes. I try to treat flocking like painting. I think everyone does. So I add the darker flock first, and then I add the highlights with a lime green flock. I don't know, I feel like this always looks better. I have some miniature trees that are just way too small to ever be used on any other craft. I didn't think I'd ever use these, but I think they are perfect for this. It just adds to the scale of the golem. It makes it look like a mountain, a walking mountain, and that's what I was going for. I could always have the players just pretend and visualize how big this thing would actually be if I put it on the map. Let's see how this turned out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. This is the last video I'll be doing on the Kickstarter, so make sure you get your hands on that. It is the last week. I think either Friday or Saturday will be the last day to check that out. So check that out. Also, like always, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.